Gala na naman. Nandito naman tayo ngayon sa Seville, Spain. It's already 12:15 in the afternoon and we are on our way to the hotel for check-in. And after that, we will find a restaurant kung saan naman tayo mag-lunch. This is our hotel and it's just close to the Plaza Sevilla. So, ganun na siya, kalapit. This is the hotel.
First floor?
Pasarela. Yeah. This will be our room for 4 days and 3 nights. Tada! It's nice. Bango ha, fairness. Mainit-init na ang weather natin dito ngayon sa Seville. Ngayon ay last week of April. And yung weather nag-range na siya ng 24, 29. But in the morning, mga 15 degrees Celsius. As of the moment, it's 1:30 p.m. At mainit-init na sa balat. Manageable pa siya ngayon. Kasi pag summer, umaabot ng 40 degrees. Although, pag summer, mura din daw yung hotel nila dito. We are looking for restaurants. Today's Sunday. Halos mga stores ay closed. But some of the restaurants are open. Like the McDo, Taco Bell. Open yung mga yan. Since yung hotel namin ay hindi na sa center, wala siya masyadong mga restaurants nearby. So we really need to walk around the area and find restaurants like this. It's close. At may nahanap kaming open na hindi fast food. As usual, Asian restaurant naman tayo. So this is a Japanese restaurant. O-order tayo ngayon siguro ng ramen. Okay, bye. This is my ramen, and Mark ordered udon noodle soup. Today is our first day here in Seville and we don't have any plans. So for today, we'll just chill. Now it's already 7 p.m. and ngayon pa lang tayo maglalakad-lakad. And we are here in Plaza de España of Seville. Wow.
Gabing ganda pa yung postcard.
True. It's coffee time. It's a croissant with jamon serrano. It's malapit sa center. Baka may nag-aaway.
Saan?
Dun. Sigawan. This is the Cathedral of Seville. This is my second time here in Seville. Before, I was here with Ate Ave, and when I saw the Alcazar and the Plaza de España, sabi ko noon, gusto ko ding dalhin si Mark dito, lalo na sa Alcazar, kasi sobrang fan siya ng Game of Thrones. And now, here we are. Makikita namin together ang Alcazar ng Seville. nakapila na kami ngayon for entrance. Nakapag-book kami ng ticket dito for £15 per person. Pagkakita. Sala de la Justicia. And that's it for the Alcazar. Lalabas na tayo ng Alcazar. At umiinit na. Sobrang init na ngayon at dumadami na talaga yung tao dito. 1:30 na din at gutom na kami. Punta na tayo ngayon sa restaurant kung saan tayo magla-lunch. Mark is craving ramen. Even in this very hot weather, nagkikrave siya ng ramen. Are you happy na nakita mo tong Alcazar of Sevilla?
Oo naman. For sure.
At nakita mo yung mga locations kung saan nag-film ang Game of Thrones.
Yes.
Man of few words po kasi talaga siya. We'll see you again later. We're on our way to the restaurant kung saan tayo magla-lunch, but we're not sure if they're accepting customers at the moment kasi blackout dito ngayon sa Seville. Most of the stores, walang kuryente. Okay, so hindi nga sila tumatanggap ng customers kasi walang kuryente. Perhaps buong Spain, well, sa lahat. Halos lahat ng stores na dinaanan namin.
Alam ko kanina, sabi niya may kalak.
Ang weird and we don't have any idea. Search nga tayo. Wala talaga kaming mahanap na kainan. Pringles, pampalipas gutom. So, it's already 2:45 in the afternoon at wala pa tayong lunch kasi hindi pa rin nagkakakuryente. 4 hours ata to. And it's not only here. I mean, the power outage is the whole Spain and part of France and part of Portugal. Hindi natin alam yung reason for now. Nagsisearch ka, sinasabi na cyber attack, kaya naman may fire daw sa southern part of France. Kaya natamaan yung power line. Good morning. It's our third day here in Seville, and for today we will go to the center and just walk around the area. We will just enjoy the day today, and currently it's 8:30 and makulimlim siya. Not so hot at the moment, and we're heading to Plaza de España. We're hoping na hindi pa siya gaano ka-crowded. Very nice time to take pictures.
Do grande. Park lang to, may castle to.
Sa wakas, nakapag-timing din kami na wala masyadong tao sa Plaza de España at nakapag-photo session tayo ng konti. Okay. Mag-alas 12 na at kami magkakape pa lang.
Sabi daw yung tapas nito.
Ito kami sa Bar El Commercial na ang sabi ni Mark ay ang sikat daw na churros dito sa Seville. It looks true kasi ang haba ng pila. Teka leche. Coffee.
Tila pa. Tayo na dito na.
Daming sinabi.
Tila pa lang.
Ay, ang dami kasi sila. Tatlo sila.
Kami na kami dito ba? Pag unang pagkatasakan ako may kung kaya ko pa sa isa.
Okay. Then, okay. Coffee. Oo nga eh. Can I have more milk pa kaya? Yeah.
Yes, please.
C. Ganda.
Kete salad. Tapang ng kape. Kapag ano, perfect churros yung wala sa loob. Yung kapag kasi naari-ari na. Pakita mo. Hard.
So, nasa center tayo ngayon. Nakakatuwa. Lots of restaurants, lots of shops. Tapos na kaming nagkape. It's already 12:30. That's like our brunch na. Ngayon, but let's just walk around. Enjoy the good weather because it's not too hot today. What is that ba? I don't know. Siguro punta na lang tayo ng Setas muna. Uy, ano ba yan? Ako.
White.
Lakas talaga to. Gagawin ko malakas. Sorry.
Bali.
Ayaw mo. Again. Aray. Aray ko. Sarap. Naglaro dito. Ito yung damit na afford namin. Low cost. Ayun na yung Setas. Oh, ako ay sobrang natutuwa kasi ang daming pagkain. Hola, it's now 4 in the afternoon. We're done eating lunch and now it's the time to just walk around again and find coffee. Coffee. Finally, I found iced
Magano
coffee.
din ako, Ma.
Nakakatuwang merong iced coffee dito kasi hindi nila masyadong alam yung iced coffee sa Spain. Pag sinabi mo kape con leche with yelo, bibigyan ka nila ng kape con leche with yelo. Literal na magkahiwalay. Iced latte. Tareta? I'll taste yours. Asim. Gracias. Sama na naman ba yan? Bumili kami ng chicharones kanina. Sobrang taba. So this is where we will eat dinner. Gulo-gulo because Mark is so gulo-gulo.
Pusjag.
Ah?
Pusjag.
Asian food again. Gustong-gusto na namin magkanin because ilang araw na kami hindi nagkakanin nung normal na kanin, like fried rice. Finally, rice. And this is a spicy noodle with beef. Okay, we are done with dinner. Ang sarap ng food. But it was really spicy. Yung noodles nila, sobrang spicy. And according to the waiter, chef takes 6 hours a day para i-prepare yung seasonings daw ng noodles. And yung in-order namin, the spice level.
Pa namin in-order. Yung namin natikman kasi 6 hours to prepare.
Yung in-order namin, the level of spicy niya, binabaan na daw yun ng chef nila. I can eat it for Mark since low tolerance yung spicy level niya. Pawis na pawis siya, pero ang sarap. So that is gulo-gulo. If nalilimutan nyo, alalahanin nyo si Mark, very gulo-gulo. Nye. Nye. Hola, good morning! It's our last day in Seville today, and at 1:30 p.m. today, we will go back to Gibraltar. For now, we are out looking for a place to have breakfast, and then after that, let's go back to the hotel, check out, and head to the bus station. So what can you say about this April trip that we had?
Wonderful. Expensive. Memorable. One word. Hindi naman ako ready.
And this is where we'll be having our breakfast. I want a churros or may bocadillo. Pwede tayo sa may ano. Hindi mapirmi si Mark sa upuan. Sobrang daming choices ng upuan. Ay, kala ko dito na. May kisa mo pa to. Sabi mo, yung upuan ni Uncle. So yan, this would be the end of our 12 days Spain tour. Before Seville, we went to Valencia and Barcelona. I hope that you also watch those vlogs. Bocadillo. Hola! Top Tapos na kaming nag-breakfast. And that's it for our Seville vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And see you in our next vlog. Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Adios!
Adios!